Happy July! It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm here to tell you about our teen take and make kit for this month, which is a seashell photo frame. So if you follow along with this video, I'm going to tell you how to make this cute little frame. You can pick up a free kit at Columbus or Saluda Library that contains all the materials you need except for glue, but it contains the frame, some glitter sand, some seashells, and some tiny little starfish. We also wanted to let you know that we have Teen Scene, our program for rising 6th to 12th graders, every other Wednesday this summer at Columbus Library. So July 6th, Wednesday, July 6th from 2 to 4 p.m. is Teen Scene. It is a hangout with video games, snacks, and we have a different craft every week, and that will be every 2 weeks starting from July 6th. So we hope you guys can join us for that. Also, if you have not signed up for our summer learning program, there's still time. You can sign up online or at either library, and then you just pick 2 learning goals you want to complete each week, whether that is reading or a different kind of learning. And each week you get a new brag tag and enter to win some awesome weekly prizes. And we have 2 grand prizes for teens that we will raffle off at the end of the summer. They both include a $50 gift card, so it's a pretty cool grand prize. So you should definitely sign up and keep learning this summer to earn prizes. All right, so stay tuned to this video to make your picture frame. Okay guys, so I started decorating my picture frame without videotaping it, but I'm gonna go through those steps with you. So I think the first thing you wanna do is put a photo in your frame. It's easier to do it first so you're not knocking off any of the shells or anything later when you try to put it in. So there is a slit at the top of your frame, so you will need to put a photo in there. This is my adorable grandson Angelo. It can be vertical or horizontal, as the picture frame stand on the back can go either way. So you have the frame in your kit. You also have a container of sand that has some glitter mixed in with it. And then you have a container of some shells and starfish. So the other thing you are going to need is glue. Elmer's glue, or wet glue, not a glue stick. So as you can see, I already did some sand around my frame, but I decided it needed some glitter. So when I made the kits, I added some glitter to the sand. So what you'll do is you'll take your glue and you can make a design around the frame, whatever you want. So I'm just going to double up a little to show you. And make sure you have a piece of paper or something under the frame. And then you will take your sand. Of course, you'll want to go all the way around the frame unless you're doing something different artistically. Sand with some glitter in it. Mine doesn't have glitter in it, but let's add some. But yours will have glitter in it. So some glittery sand. And you can pour it on there, or you can use your fingers. And you're just gonna, this is why you need the paper underneath to catch the sand, so it's easier to clean up. And of course, if you don't have enough sand, you might have to do it in sections. Put your sand back in the thing, another section, since you're gonna be pouring more sand than will actually stick to the glue. So you can let that dry, and then you can move the excess sand onto the paper, back into your container, and then you can add your shells and starfish. There are 10 little shells in your container and 2 starfish. So this is another one of those crafts that is, oh no, my starfish broke. Luckily I have glue. Oh my goodness. Okay. These starfish are super, super, super delicate. So let me try to very delicately pick up my remaining starfish. So sad. You will want to glue your starfish and your shells around your frame just for a fun ocean themed photo frame. Maybe if you have a picture of yourself at the beach, that seems like the kind of photo you might want to put in your frame. So you can do any design you like. These frames are not super sturdy, but as you saw on the back, there is a stand. Should be able to stand up on a table or your dresser or anything in your bedroom. If not, you could also tape it on a wall, make a little clothesline to hang it from with a clothespin. So there's lots of different ways to use this frame to decorate. I hope you guys have fun. Please send me a photo of your completed Take and Make project.